I'm more dog with him.
Odi for me do ase. Dear me person me hu ni say yes boni nyina hini eni sika. Nti unya sika na akoye ebrabo say heaven ahwa no wanko bi. Na omo ho dwo ni sika no na heaven yesiesie mo omo. Nya me di fro no krobo in the womb. Ama ase we Kristo na kakra ba ho na ehu abeto so. And the cross says sika in see heaven.
Hello.
Hi.
Amen.
Amen.
Bones are ready.
Bomuye.
Are we learning something?
Yes, we are learning.
On fashion, my own trouble been taught. At time in you are, will be a data. No counts my tear good, most were carried out to my sister. Well,
I just have to.
Oh. More recording. Me money TV so until one year se me bonu TV so. Bon se me rad.
Yes. Boom. Senior.
You see, I always keep on telling you people something. When these white people brought Christianity to the African continent, majority of the African countries were nascent. Hello.
Hi.
These countries were nascent and technologically untrodden. Dear Ambassador Mitchell, Tamwa, Omudi nyame somba ebibi mamu no. Na ebibi man kro ahodo no. No muni nimde. Na wiase emie. Te said ye wiase ayede. Ebie neno. So, the African continent, majority of the doctrines propagated by these so-called bishops were full of mendaciloquence. And some was of one bishops in Africa at the time. Bebre na yen toro. You can't say be a mendaciloquence. So obi chan toro. Na enturo no amanaya te said ya.
No cre.
Brony friends say we mendaciloquence. So our predecessors, right from 1900, who became born again, they suffered mendaciloquence. So a drum pampensuobino a wiase enyini kono. The nipa atinu wasum 80s and the nipa atini nei the same. Let me tell you, after God, listen, with that of the entire cosmic world, after Onyankopon, what should be your priority here on earth? It's money. Hello.
Hi.
After when?
Nyankopon.
After Nyankopon, what should be your priority here on earth? What should be very paramount? What should become paramount in your life? Should be money.
Money.
I will explain to you.
Sika.
Why? Because money is a pragmatic panacea for the perplexities of life.
Yes.
Hello.
Hi.
Money. Eye dura. Any editu abrabomu or how sika. Eye dura. Over 98% of onipa hawa wonemu abrabomu nyinara. Anu aduro ye die ya. Sika. A scholar will tell you that money is a pragmatic panacea for the perplexities of life.
Yes. Syria.
Hello.
Hi.
Money is a fulcrum onto which the wheels of progress turns.
Yes. Syria.
Sika. Eye car. abrabom yedie any day and kosuo and iswadi huru papa.
Yes.
Esuneguo.
Yes.
Any abrabom nkanko yedie animonyam sakano emunegu eyet sikakano. Because without money there is no what? Development. Sikani wa empuntu obi beba.
Debi.
Obi beka sa adentina after nyame no wan ka say ye make heaven. Let me tell you, once you have God, automatically you will never be denied with what? Heaven.
Yes.
Who nyame heaven babo.
Debi.
And a man that has God shouldn't waste his time on heaven, because God is what? Heaven. But a man can have God without what? Money.
Yes. A fact.
I have seen so many believers. But they are poor. Why? Because of the thoughts they have regarding money. A man without money will automatically encounter what we call a quagmire of penury and depreciation.
Yes. Brofo.
Hello.
Hi.
Onipabia unisikano. You encounter the quagmire of penury.
Yes.
What do we mean by when you say somebody is encountering the quagmire of penury and deprivation? The person when they say, so when this car abrabom ubeko ohia atete ni yaudie krom automatically unhu deda.
Sir. Senior.
A day and a manipa ehu atete esu ni yaw e de ya. Ahon kire wo firi wan ho. Good. So poverty is a quagmire of penury and deprivation. Poverty.
Sir.
And during the ministry life of Jesus, Jesus was very careful with poverty. Yesu Kristo na hiniyem abra Yesu ba asase we so a oterekere no. Na Yesu Kristo wa ye careful pa e wo hia ho. From Genesis to Revelation, utimi mame quotation bako was say heavy ye hiafo dia me chow $1,000 mean go answer na me the amount. Tell me.
Power.
Anyway, utimi quotation a quote na tentem. Yes. I say things so be kopo ani otokuru. Okay. Good. Yes. Yes. I say things at the four ombeko de ya. Panie de ya. Tokuru. Makes me natural. Now, you are to be was it en shirana mudia ya. Who you are total fool? Who told you a poor man is blessed? What kind of blessing is that? And one can say, en shirani mo here for. Or say en shirani de. Who here for? Why have you decided to negate the word who? Now they are here for an abesho. I didn't know you who na free. Now they are here for abesho.
Matthew chapter 5 verse 3.
What say?
Nshirani huhum wa hiafo.
Nshirani die. Huhum die. Why the huhum hiafo? The huhum. Enfitiasia no na asam no yeden.
Oh.
Na asam no be yeden. And na asam no yeden. Afa what you say?
Yes.
In the beginning was what?
The word.
The word was with
God.
And the word was
God.
Good. And the asam no be nyame no why ni asam no? It was Christ.
Yes.
Now, why ne honhom no? If say asam no eye Kristo, na asam no nyame na na ho nyame so ye honhom a. Why ne honhom no?
Nyankopon.
Oboa. Why ne honhom no?
Christo.
Was it a sina and the more mutihaya who no a young me Christo me here.
Senior. Power.
And Jessica. It has nothing to do with money. And she not who dear. And she tiasiana 70 a day. Now 71 an hour. And now 70 a day. Good. And Asamuno any Yamina now, which means Christ was with God.
Yes. Now
Christ came to this earth. Afterwards, yes, we are quiet. And Jesus was talking in respect to Omotiwa.
Yes.
Senior. Now, money. Have you sat down to give it a second thought? When a man becomes broke and you don't have anything, in terms of infrastructure, in terms of health-wise, in terms of education. Now, if you don't have money, quality education will never be accessible by you.
Yes.
You can only access quality education when you have what? Quality account what? Balance.
Yes.
Not when your account balance resembles that of radio frequency 104.6. Hello. So ebetimi akọ school papa the down account win a bed there. Na samre ya wa the down account with say radio be 92.3. Obetimi the school fees.
Debi.
Afei twa adwene bra me kira wade.
Yes.
2. In terms of education, let me tell you, in real truth, those scholastic institutions that they have established out there, it is highly detrimental to the true pursuit of education. If you don't know, let me tell you. Why are the brilliant and intelligent, smart ones who were born out of the progeny of poverty, why are they in the house? 8 A's, 6 A's, 7 A's. I didn't know because you don't have what?
Money.
Now, the scholastic institution, universities now work Ghana, African close we say education. Anna, enunti, any pampun 20 no mutiti school now. I didn't know munya bibi infant was say. Say one pass say the annual brabo school free because your person depend there ya. Nimdia. Nemo. In the society that we find ourselves, you are categorized. When you are poor, your baby are bad.
Okay.
Who needs a car? Your baby are bad.
Otna.
Who is casual baby are bad.
Otna.
The poor man's star and the rich man's star can never sit under the same roof. It is abomination.
Yes.
O si kanipa no hia ni ba o mutimi ntena nkyɛnse ba ko ase da.
Ampa.
Adentia. Go to Kumasi, some of the schools, they are using dollar to pay what?
Your fees.
School fees.
Yes.
You can't say, but you have 400 Ghana now. Where then now you move banis hakola, we have the same roof. I say, very possible. So when I tell you that, you know, scholastic institution, the institutions established out there is highly detrimental to the true pursuit of education. And I mean, if you say, school no money dollar and the piano. And yet ABCD now no much. Adam Kwame LA and so no much. No ABCD. I didn't know ABCD be and I'm any dollar and nam. It should tell you that Sika and Omoya de. Sika no Omoya de. Omope meboa.
Yes.
And when I tell you what, that is the reality. So educational wise, health wise. So when you perform thing, obita konfanochi medical centers is here. You say on for just 10,000 Ghana, 100 million. On family and one penny even on Hontono. Neba, ni wafani ni an obedient to me first scanning a day. Si say a nippon to me first scanning by a day in the BC. Obeu, I didn't hear. Money is the co-brother
Yes.
Right from the patterns of the bloodline of life.
Senior. Power.
Sika. Ninuya bema. Any sister na mo friend dey enkwano.
Yes.
Omumi enu nenam. If you don't have money, you are dead in some way, but you're not aware. Now, if you don't have money, you will experience what we call social marginalization. Unisika, mantamu na wono. Onipa be treat you said if I swan your den. Onipa on sese okasa on krobe de ya. Obekasa. You experience ostracization. A poor man has no what? Friend. When you are poor, your family people will never look for you.
Yes.
Hello.
Hi. Debbie.
Hello.
Hi.
When you are poor,
Debbie.
When you have it, money will throw them. Because money has some kind of a magnetic force. It will force be a chinipa.
Attractive force.
The lie of ministry. No, you're very careful. Yeni bako pe na Yesu call the fee. One call yeni be a fee da. Yeni o call the fee ya matter.
Yes.
And the crowd chairman in 4 days. Now Yesu 4 days in who call matter fee Lazarus. I wouldn't need to who call ya. No one's a cotton baby clear home and son or a miracle. Because after the miracle, what exactly would matter give it to me? Matter doesn't have anything. Now, Yesu Christo, as someone as you have one, shall someone catch the woman? Or some cronium, I am already way there. A poor man and a rich man, one a fata.
Rich man.
Or so she said, your fata. I didn't want to catch her when you go to the town, look for a poor man. Yes, you name to a sister, the way there. No matter what your mama, what you are when you tell me for, when you need to get one as a fata. Oh, baby, Sikania Kunya, dear, see what I know what them. Hello.
Hi.
Now, Sakonyana, what them one was your friend. Or see a friend now, one emergency lie. So be a debonacas here.
Sir.
I didn't hear what not paying EBDA. Conyam.
Senior.
Men I'm come asking me. If you pack Camry or Toyota Corolla beside a Rolls Royce 2023 model, you need to be arrested because it's an offense. It's called Lazarus what? Abuse.
Senior. Yay.
Say, me pack me Rolls Royce 2023 model need to see up. Now the Corolla be seen China. I was saying me a chow.
Yes.
Why a bonacassie?
Bonacassie.
Until I'm saying a chow. Yes, your friend in luxury dear. Abuse. You don't have respect for luxury. Agro. Jesus, you're very careful. Na Yesu ho kyere no na de obedi ekura eden na Yesu ntimi ntua tax tomo tete Yesu checking the records no who say Yesu ntua tax no koko confront no say Peter etiesa say o bi pa bi tena sase so won ntua tax ana o se mama wusa papa Peter nim say tax collectors for na o mo krom ho no ma hu say o mo ntua tax na Yesu ka kire o mo say mo mam sika ni bi or shares was it dear now also or say a yasuma city and a dash was it dear swatter sumas fanya dear
and famano
or move free tax collectors one anymore and the yesu catch the Peter say I'm sure ya yɛbɛyɛ sinti diatoɔ ɛde ama ɔman no enti anɔpa paa sɔre konsuo no fish abɛkye no bie n'anum gold pen ɛdam yi na kɔtɔn no fatua yɛ ho deɛ ya aka
senior
now yesu hwɛ a ɛbɛte peter sinti diatoɔ ɛbɛte ne sinti diasa obi a wɔsɛ wɔyɛ agye nkwa no ɛna wɔsɛ yɛ nkɔ yɛ sei ade ntina wontumi mfa wo nsa nsi wo bɔ ɛnkasɛ me ntua because me ne wɔ soro ɔno ɔka kyerɛ sɛ peter asase so ahemfo agye toɔ wɔ he ɔsɛ ɔmo gye toɔ ɛwɔ asase so foɔ ma ho ɔsɛ ma agye toɔ wɔ soro nti mete asase so di I have to what pay
yes
ɛdeɛ bɛn ne ɛtoɔ tax yɛka sɛ tax a ɛnyɛ obi wakra nneɛma fira bɔkyerɛ nkwa na otua tax o na in other way or other side no we pay tax through so many streams. What kind of a stream am I talking about? Who are utia light bill? Dear utia water bill? Dear who could chia in Tokuya to a dear? Enti say sika. Any who bet your light bill? There be one share light bill who to be who feel that's why a bonsam. Enti yes, you could pay. Ekuo say and Solomon say, I know what you no catcher on say. I no clear. Sika, a you yasif what ya. Nanso no clear me some say. Muni sika and far down for. Now that not to the bayam say, Uradia Jamunu. Nesika to Ajamu.
Yes.
A crown bear. So I could duck on for a noche. Now, woo. 37 hospital be a do beko. No woo. Nay, so here mocha. And now here in Sua. Tell them, say, what is it means bigger than water. Hello?
Hi.
You don't come to come for not here. You feel so much embarrassed. I didn't hear because Obi also soon ya me pano yalia bo. Ama odi wa ye dia ya. Aba hospital. Now we need capre. 80 why do you say? I didn't know the angel. The Jesus say, says some way be battle. Now about more bunty. Corner coffee sika down for.
Yes.
Fa na down for nam. Na da or soro. What do you say? You are man. Now this sikana idea ya. Charge.
Hello. Hi.
Now, who through VIP station? Opa so kwakra. I didn't know I want to know them na untu nyira. Because you don't have that ocean.
Yes.
There
be
a Uko VIP station. Omuji with the
Sika.
I didn't know to our country and say the Otimimun was soon the warriors in Timon from Internacarni. Let me tell you, as far as an economic matters, factors in life, money should be paramount after God. When you marry a good woman, lack of money will prevent you from knowing the value of your wife.
Yes.
So while you about your papa no who first day, na wuni sika. Sika wuni enti when you be fra unhu yire. Na who offend said was so mbo wa abrabo mu da. Hello.
Hi.
If you marry a loving, well-honored, and a handsome, young, energetic young guy who is physically amputated and indigent. Hello.
Hi.
So what a bema where ya brand here? Ni who affair? What school? Na ye twa ne nsa wa abrabo mu a wonu be ma ye twa ne nsa nyi obi a ye de na kɔ si ye twa ne nsa o be ma woni abrabo mu na woni sika o nsa ne ye twa no we are physically amputated ye twa nsa but onya we hello
hi
because ye twa nsa your hands must what count money
yes
hello
hi
nessa o wari sa be ma we. No one needs sika. So oyiri okuru sumo said den or what said den. Who da? And nam sika any dia. Our munti. Oh, say, Wawariano, it is there with God, but without money, you are not recognizing who? God.
Yes.
Lack of money would tempt you not to recognize the Spirit of God in your life. Unisika, one say yami da. And Tina also for me bompaye. And my man for nya yarsano akotena de musu. No busan say urate na me kura ade. Ubo me senie. Because onidia ya sika. Abrantie bi e wo Bible mu. Now Yesu ra fie bi mu. Na man panyini bi a yede efie ho agya no. Obi de ne store agya no. Ana store na odi agya no no. Enioma a oton no. So what the man 1 billion 800 million no what the 200 million atoso. And what Tom what the enya hu cham. And papa na what the store ne man on ne ba. E go so okoto ade. Papa ne ba ne yawe say ade we ye 800 million. Na akwa ne ton the man 1 billion. And akwa ne to we no ko back ko katre ne papa say hey. Enioma na ode ma akwa ne sa na oton no. What the biya ye dey atotoso. And papa no catching ne ho say sa brantie yi makwa jime japade afri nsem say kwase abuo ni apose no de body a makwa je now akwa no say oba no and o sha say no wawai ade no nyina price tag no de ba original price now Yesu gina ho sa o say unim nyansa ntu be nyina che
Obenyina che.
Hello.
Hi.
Yesu sitia ya.
Obenyina che.
I know Peter Busa and Saturday was saying somebody a hand man wajibi. To high baby and Timmy ye. A sumu mana ya dear ya. Now no bit one. I say, now at least if well can Saudi come any pen, you can say DBC. Go to the bank and say foolish things over there. They will give you snaps. And somebody I must see in Bible say, Saudi come will be a new council DB at the end. See home, me what? Now call bank so copelo and near didn't see who I a day. I see home. No but she went to any idea what Japan, no back torn over the enrich themselves. Would the who Christ when you so do see cat dear. Nampacho, Usikana when you're now the marble signal soon for being to so a bad thing. You want to be a conqueror, but a boom.
Senior
Yanam San, you copy and Ranti Ebiso. No, Moody Disick and Ibiatem. A prefix Solomon, no, I say, hey. We are saying, Sancrophone way, when you are more time that. I'm saying, was Sikania or woman tamu and cannot want someone at that. Tierney, I don't want to see here need to men can't want some. Or say, dear, Namia made me wobino, who soon saw you who be dimatem. Now, some told me I'm a bit of money. It automatically when you see Kakura, see Kama crime when you panka was him. Because Kama say, would dimata, can I yam it da, Missy Canania day.
Senior
Sika and ya the bonita. Payo ni panam so a penono and only a semono. Ushia obiatie with the pambone a boo bitty sika, tina japadi, ubo bit to okuno. Ukum nipa at the pesica. Hey, Quandia, Bonnie. Now, my normal business. Me ye at the premises candy. Sister, would you mean can't say Sika Boneta? Says Canino Corbin some Jamuno. Oh, here you call heaven now say. On finding a more dear. And see, baby, I will assassin will so da.
Yes.
Hey, Yesu. And a young fato and did not kind of trust him say. Oh, here in the coast, can you one prensa 3 times said the old Roman idea. He was talking about Adoye. So Nipa Utimantamu Abuadia. Nipa.
Yes.
But being why Israel Mamunosi can be tia. When do you call when some gem? Now, Muamu literature. Oba say, eh, dear. Good. And your madam Akano. And Sita. Now, yes, Ukloya. One in sorry, imagine how say no more church. Send me what ya. Mijina ho ya nan kasikani kasiye power Ghana ha pakeka. To. Me here OPATAFUOR. Me share ya no the briefcase about me being $500,000 and now $1 million. Me shedi na me jama kene to ho. Na me ko. Na fei if you are not here no. Tie yo. If you are not here no I don't say sika de waja hoko. We mu nyam sum bia no omusumo. Omu ka bi kire Yesu. Afetie. Yesu show omu sa. Osi kuo ketwa. Zenet ketwa. Mamu nyadai.
Omu nsuro.
If you said dear ya. Ejani ye dai. Opay. Tie ni o. Ejana mfa ma omu but ejani pese anka wodi ahini eni ye den.
Abemo.
Nansusu obunya de. Omu ton di omu wo.
No more.
Enya se koton. Ene hia Yesu o. Nembom se wo ye de ya. Adoye ba for de.
Give.
Mo ba for de anko bi ba be fa Yesu de nako.
Dabi.
Me ti wona mato collection kese ama me a. Me fa $500,000 ho.
Dabi.
Nti Yesu no ka secret. Yesu na mu nyinara osori a. Osi munyai sei. Esikafo ne ba Yesu ncha no ka mu secret. Nicodemus ko no was Nicodemus. O pese onya heaven was o problem nyina so atwa. Gisi e wo a foforo. Me wa wo Yesu wan ka wo foforo ho asem da ankyere hiafo no. Sikani ba dia wo man secret. Hello.
Hi.
Enti Jesus, you careful. You enslave masters. And omu dada ye. Na tira sana Africa ne mie. Enti omu ma ya twere ye say. Ye mu omu hunu sese de omu tie bia Nyankopon ye den. Edo ye. Enti watade a ye udi akwa afuom kura ufira afuom ka unyare. Kikiki na de abesi aso dem.
So.
Ni ede tete ye ni egum. Let me tell you. Adia baako aye me nwanwa o Bible mu ame. There is nothing other catch me. O de for asori me nko asori ya bia mu. O ya me dem me. O invite him come ma. I'm tell what there. Yesu Kristo. Yesu oba so be wu agede ya.
Yenkwa.
Nye nipa nkwa.
Yes.
Na wo Yesu wu wie na nko soro ha. Na Yesu aba be gina Nyankopon anim. Okogina Nyankopon anim a. Bible say hwese obofo obi de ne kase atiem. Otiem first one kronkron, second kronkron, third one kronkron. Osi abrantie, osi fata se mo mani nyansa. First one, yema Yesu nyansa no mo de abre no. Two, osi fata se mo mani tumi. No mo de powers abre no. Last one, three, osi fata se mo mani yedie. Esoro ho yetua light bill. Bible say na onyankopon anim onyam aye kurom ho nyina ade e. Emma na ba bia ye ntua light bill odi yedie ye den. Aye ntia light bill ko Nyankopon anim onyam ye den. E wa ha. Wo di sika ye den. Na o mu di sika ma Yesu no wate. Na me ankwala gu me so, me tua light bill tua water bill. O si ma me nje. Na san kwase ankyere we. E be fa.
Yampa. Senior. Yes.
Hello.
Hi.
Now, yen tuni nyina ntom. Yohani. Aye chene wanwam ko yi ne to chene patmot peposo. O da hodi one day ya chene wanwam no odwendwene ne ho. Onko he urade abie nani. Oko heaven and ani ko tete ho. Bible say na kuro na bonten eye de ya.
Sika kwa sika.
Na heaven. Obitia house rent wo ho.
Dabi.
Na hanom a ye tua house rent no. Osi ma me mpesika. Ene o hwa evangelist bi no om hu fifire bi om gugu krom. Ehu evangelist fo bi omu cassette sika saa hwe from the year 1980 asofo omu cassette sika nyina omu ayede ya opa koye service emeboa omu owu ye nyina de ne ku omu yare asofo na preach first sika ho no omu taso yede ya evangelist bi ba kumase ha o cassette di atem stigmatize yedie eni sika na yale yo born na edidi to sresrade na ye de command eni nku ase ewuo wadwene nya adwuma nti wa nkwase de nyame ayo wagu anim ase totally na wawu nkwase ewuo sei yes, Sikadia Bemau. When you be a did ya show ma. Sanyam sumu frame some ramasuma mesom. Tia Christopher Brabon shiny wonyam. Oh, who yano? Evangelist Bakuni or who answer. Why ye cham or ye and train in alcohol? Who cast you a Jimmy? Nunu yana Yanwa. What pain be in your be? Or no, I was say, what ye are sorry, but Sika, Uncle Heaven. What ye are sorry, Uncle Heaven. And now I dear ya. One tea, sorry. Or two offering, now one two offering. Now what Jimmy and what you. Now also come pipa, a dear ya. And now I am pipa now on yet. Munko San Vangelis in the fear. Nam Kohi Casa, what to go. Who cast with Jimmy? Well, who said money is what? Important. And then a new beer. It is not done. Can you know this to me? And say, Sa so for way there. I'm can quad here. We yell with my dear friend and quad here. What I come for noche. Now, who nay the pioneer but woa. Me bound and can praise the Lord. I'll bet you so. Who hears Sika and you praise the Lord.
Senior. OPATAFUOR. Yes.
Eti sanchire chire full way. No me wura ya ma me tiri me papa tiri. Me papa mu di achire because omo ko himfa. Heaven. And the flow. Heaven e de ho. Na samre ya ye nyan ko heaven. Ye nto pant. Unto toma.
Beto.
Now the dia na beto.
Sika. Senior. Power.
Nteme. We are me die. Me mani mbiri obi bibi. We are me die. Ufrem ufie me ma. Me mpe. Me ba sorry ye two offering. Ye your program and your bar for the wa obo bia fa wa mo bia nya den. Hami.
Yes.
Me won sa we. Me sa we say nya 5. Enya 5.
Yes.
Nya sa na nya me do mo bia.
Yeah.
Me wa dwene ante me de aye me ankasa me campaign na me de ye madwuma. Into whether church or no church, I don't care.
Yes, senior. Power.
I saw the hole. I saw the hole. Me na me banya me juma ma set records. Of be na set record. No run TV. Me shut it down church no call. Who dey come kumi nkumi. Do you know how much I made after some 2 hours solid him? Who me ko ya juma within 7 months. No nim dey me yan. Na me che ha ma. Yes sir, yeah. And the other way. And then me oh you. Sure. Who be kasa say we actually me.
Papa. Yeah.
Hello.
Hi.
And you see, these people have made you to believe something that is unreal.
Real.
Because human progress solely depends on the fulcrum of what? Money.
Yes.
Real.
Real.
Sorry. And yellow car, a abroach, move a abroach for a woman to go back.
Yes.
Sakoha. I didn't hear. Me Azanka, America for Bedimechi.
Debbie.
Can you sworn Nimechi? Can you Germany, Italy, Spain? Come with Nimechita. A debia me be a real. Me catch any pa. So one basic bedroom, the Benuba feels saying, I'm here to Yamo because of Sika win a day. Wouldn't it be? A Tibia me say, some pioneer so for the Mamobo. Mu wasting my time will obey you, Missy Munya dear ya. Shaso! By ye, no, they call him. Pompaya say, Radima, dear ya.
Sika.
If you have money, by 4 will respect you.
Yes. Senior. Papa one.
Hello.
Hi.
Who bet me a friend?
Debbie.
And yes, Nicodemus friend or a day.
Okay.
Simon or Benman or Sikani Simon for years one cup.
Okay.
I didn't hear. People want in some now me 2 V8 at the both you me bomb pound. Busa said now fill V8 tank back where I say. And if this says you cry a issue and economy here CCA issue VA. Now no I make crack V says in qua which na filling station ya filling you 1,000 to 12 million a cop. Obi monthly salary.
Yes.
Ye dear booty ya. Now the Amian say, and to be found concern for your day.
Emma.
Who to baby and I just say, I am branching and branch, Muna say. And so I see a day. Young branch, new option near branch, near coffee, near the Abba. A dear idea call you know.
Sika.
A sika. Now, F say, so what is Cardinal on to you? Dobatan when you about no to him
And crying.
and crying, hello.
Hi.
And you see, you people want us to become poor. The white people who told you, say, Ube ye and some Casano Matrotron, meaning you. If I'm a Bible, I'm making kind of attraction, baby, I'm come, baby. Mean because and for so beyond your day, and in some now, okay, can him. Why not like being to any field I didn't tend to that? Maybe after me that.
Oh, yes.
Maybe after be share. We go hang baby. A young pastor may hate here. Hey, if you're a woman on yes, say. Now, Udim say a bon samo say, Yammy to me. Only to be my few was ready out one pie office, a BBIano. I did tell you to make him say, ye be hero. I'm a man, you know, who said, yes, you kiss so yeah, couldn't. Hey, and pay up the boy, you know, if you run at it. I didn't dinner ordinary water bill or light bill. You want to kill somebody. Because of 50 cities in tea. No only the ones who nyame. But it is poverty that has subjected our state of mentality to that type. And Obikatino says, Sikaya Bonia, Sini who?
Yes.
Ha! Now, I have former school or moko. So and so DA. Umukoro DA. Primary school. LA, local authority. Now, I call on the post school, but a mango where Diego Natalim.
Now grow.
Now, Ushakolan who feeling free now. Say yes. Or Quabre school of any wapon. Now, share a scaffold, a school. You share scaffold in my school. Everything shows say I will be passing up. Palmas. Now, Colababa, Mammy, wouldn't say you are not the Marcolano Craco school went to me on a day. Went to me and now video be a muye, Yenny Bow, Yamo free at Diane, Okodia, what a friend of the crown so meal. Because a poor man is always what? Hungry.
Yes.
Now, I call on the school share. Sikani bana, the squat ali fefe, the wuche sham. I call on your brofu. Oh, hello. Now, do you realize it said? I call on the school, no? Over free school, Baba Colano, who's my mommy, none on the brofo. Now, Korean brofo can school my who say. A year last week, did you watch the TV? Hello. I said, yeah. A year. Oh, Yenny Babrofo. A year. Did you watch TV last week? Hey, the killer pa. He was strong. Hello.
Hi.
Never in your life should you entertain poverty.
Yes.
I always preach prosperity to you. Because if you have God, automatically you have what?
God.
Heaven. How many are there? Matthew 6:24. Yes. Matthew 6:24. Matthew 6:24. I'm telling you, Debbie. You see, we be because we do omuye. Saso for you, omuye papa. Sa kwa no wase omuye papa no. Obesa for etira besro. Jack me say na dey mu aye shipao. You see, o frame sa me say na e be hihyo. Matthew 6:24 say.
Obiara ntumi nsoma awura no
mpa. Obiara ntumi nsoma awura no mienu.
Say basa. Obetane baako.
Obetane baako.
No baako.
No do baako.
Ana so de baako no be bata no ho. No baako no. Wa bu no animtia. Morintumi nsum Onyankopɔn. Ede mammon.
Ate. Mammon gina ho masika. Onyankopɔn untumi nsum omie no. De na opa kyere. De enti o se edin sisikani ebekɔpa ne tokuro. Those rich men in the society who have allowed money to overtake their state of reasoning to the extent where they can't reason between petty sentiment. Omu society ni mu a omama sika agi omadwene omu nyansa ebi no omu treat the party say moa. Unse sika ni bi wa onfa ni pa ho. Anu na woka say ni pa we no odo sika. When you love money, you worship that thing, you value that thing more than anything. Omuna Bible come wasem. Na me ma ye ya, me didi ma bisu ohia ni so. O se me nkopane tokuru na ha na bekom. De me hwe no no na bekopane tokuru na me hwe no no me nko. De me hwe no mom na bekopane tokuru no. Ene wo hwe no ho e. Sana o ka tena me dia onye dia ya onhwe no onye dey onkom no onko ne pa ne tokrom so menye sika kura dia topa ne ni bi no awura mu a hello ne mom ye wonkrofo bi wo society ni mu a omu nipa ko wanya bibi kakra odi agro be di watam wo be sese kwase agro bo botuo na hwe wo mo anyame ato wo nse wo tete asori fie hwe nkwala akura bi egu ni nase wo mo maduane di obi wo hono mabusua ni nyina ni bi wono na ni nsam wo bi o hwe we oboa we o wia be ka kire me se onu mom dabo nsam jam na de me hwe no me sra de me hwe ne se won fa ni nsa bo nsa tie nsuo me so me tetere ma na me hwe hwiam na mo na ayede anyway a misinterpretation. Untimi nsuma wura mienu. Nti ada so obedo sika. Me pesika, me no sika. Me masika anje ma adwene. Me pe sika de me pe papa. But me no da. I can never love money.
Senior.
Nti na me ufa me bibia enya me de ya. Hurry because me makuma ni me japade. Me car me wo me dan yo me bi. Makuma ni mu da. Because me de makuma share dan mu e tena hye. Me de makuma me de talk me de share mu na hye. Tina I'm trying as much as possible so I'll make plenty money. Me car share within abros 30 minutes me start to foforo.
Senior.
Enti me car bie ni ho makuma ye den. Edi na chi.
Sir.
Me fa car bie ni ho amese me fa ho. Car na bi ni ya pack sisi yo emfa me ho. Me dam say me yesi me car bi si baabi de ye tonto na me yam hihye bi sa unravel kotu wona kotu ko emfa me ho de me wonu na odi car ne ma me sa honhom no na wo gine ne ma wie ya ye den
Yes.
na honhom na o ma me car no untime nje no wo se wa fa me car me nja me honhom no ma hwehwe car what is car possible me mfa japade ho uma wakuma kodie japade mu a umu nipa de biem akasa nipa rough ama woni nyame anya problem ena to escafo ni sankrofo wei na wo ka no na nye na ye nya sika ya bua nyanka ya bua mobrofo papa eti wo bua mpanfo omo atiti ya bua mpanfo o se wo mu omo bua sankrofo no omo kopa ne atoko na akwa wo sika de topa ne
Dabi.
Bon se me brate.
Yes. Bobuye.
I say Luke, be the book of Luke. Luke chapter 16, verse 1 to 9. Luke 16, verse 1 to 9.
Luke 16.
Verse 1 to 9. I feel you.
Now, catch the suafo no so say.
Oh, yes, soon I cast no catch the suafo no so say.
Or the four be or ha.
Tieni or the four be or ha.
Or what if you penny be?
What say? No, or papa penny be.
Now, what no, queer do say.
Oh, ko bo papa no queer do say.
Was say nadia.
Was say nadia.
Our friend no say. Dear na meti wo hu yi.
E dear na meti wo hu store na me di ja wo no e dear nsam na meti fa wo hu.
E bu mpani ni no ho nkonta.
Afei store na me de ma wo no bra be bu nkonta wo.
Ori ni pani bio.
Nene meti wo panyi na firi wo nsam to aso.
E fie pani no kan no ni tirimu say. Menya den. Efiri se mi wura be je me mpani ni afiri me nsam.
Tien yo Yesu na ekasa yo afei tie.
Me ni ahoden a me de metutuo.
Okay.
A chance of yummy and you.
A dear,
A shot.
a chance of your day.
A yummy.
Hello.
Hi.
And Predator was saying, Wakusha.
Now grow.
Hello.
Hi.
A chance of your day.
And a new.
Media Missy, my who will be trouble me getting Hano. Do it to me, Mammy Fear Medidi. Who know who a chance of your menu. Okay. No, my sandwich. To us way.
No, dear Mayor. Me free me penny near Swat.
Dear, Papa say if you run it back just store in the yard. Or just want to be show if you want to be necessary. It is he say, I don't know what. Or some of your pain, minimum saying, me who dear Mayor. Ready over Mayor.
Now, what Jamiaco won't a fee.
Ote, obey ya. Am I a 23 position no crana? Stay who now be self puna for the boss. I feel ready obey.
Now, a friend knew the free phone.
I'll what the idea na free woman now of Freo.
Makuma Koban and Chance, dear Odika, say. What the Mura a car a hand.
And your mammy, the free one, sign up the man.
Now, I say, in Wuhina or her.
Okay, me my 100,000 barrels and 100 barrels of oil.
No, I say, no say.
And what Catherine say?
Jewoma.
I feel Jonioma.
Matna sent them to a duonum.
I feel te. Teso. Now you're the 50. And you to me and I'm a mother 50 nafa.
Yes.
Hello.
Hi.
One is smart. One is smart. Obi is smart.
Yes.
Me more information. To us.
And I was say what for say.
Now, Fred also so.
Now, also,
what's my mouth saying?
Car here now, what dear?
A dear.
And I was saying, me dear, you uncle to quo or her.
Okay.
Now, I was saying, say, for a woman, actually, a duo watch.
I feel so Tesuba 80. Not 20 now. Can fashion me many. To us way.
Now, Ora no ye a fear penny contompony no I say. What did you yansam?
Why dear?
Did you
What
yansam?
were Yansa papa? To us way.
Now, we are seeing Mumma Yansa.
A Riasi Mumma.
One Yansa Senate.
I want Yansa in wine.
I am
A Hinema.
one faithful.
I want fifth womb. Adentia. A Riasi ma woman sum Christo. Omunim Yansa in more Christo for Amasoya Hima. Adentia. The Bia your business and my body.
Okay.
None no shake or ball Hajia and yet 300 Ghana or the bone getting.
Yes.
Hajia Tom be seen by permanent and our fast my day. Wafa lazy a day. How many times Nyabo Christo need get to the Ashie? Because at general and your day, Christo new quality time to get to the Kobo year once answer fans. We are was our Canada Conwaka home. Was Haji Sheto. Christo new corner who send his car or Mompaye of 15 and what the amount. It is Sergeant Bonnie when it seems so, but you see car question or do call those who are the man and what the way day. Yes, to channel. Was he assuming money in Yansa, a cynic, iron day, and Mano.
Senior. C1.
Adentia. Uma Christo need get to who's off for crowd is here on himself by GB. What is a Hajia? A Titia Katamuda.
David.
Yamuna Mudi and Yatem. O spiritual father with me trouble. Were you any? But then I see we ye. A souvenir money in the and to the whole world. If she has seen with the whole world, almost sky and creme of war, go to Saudi Arabia, Saudi Aramco, over Saudi Arabia, or Munatwat, oil no require $1.7 trillion. How dare you so much in a cremonian him? What's the guy say? Or sit down, TNA, or sit down, no, sit in Cremos all day. I should go with some boka say. Yenina, ye contribute to CAC. I saw that 50 years in here. I saw that next woman to Mama was so.
David.
Or much mess here. Aphibia, I am off for there. Near trust in aid of what?
Church building.
Yes, here we
David. Senior.
I can't say, but I want a secret. Yes, you show me as Mumbedi here to come out in you.
Yes. Secret.
Trust.
Na men so me simu say.
Tia Yesu so me simu say.
Mumfa ahunya.
Tia die. And na me Yesu me katra mu play. Mumfa tia ya.
Ahunya dia.
Mumfa ahunya dia e ho ntini bi enye die ya
namfo
aha
na se ehiamu a
na sa ya die
ehiamu
ehiawo a
wagemu akoda afie ni mu
na sa hunyade na ehwo ntie no okaka we hunyade ya wo se ankanka se watwi ka mu no asi abonten wa shatare papa na obi abetwero no social media vanity upon vanity adajamu a na de baaye adajamu a na ye besan ye dey
akro
sa wo de kom
dikan
wo de ko adajam obi adaja ye obi adaja
dabi
fa wo adaja ko fa wo de ko na me fa me de so nko
sir
yesu say ahunyade na ehwo ntie ka no tobi efie no pebisi asase no tobi ada ebehia wo no sa dan no ebejew
sir
ada ebehia wo no
yes
ka no ebedie
ebejew
ada ebehia no sika ebedie
ebejew
wo konkran ade ehia wa na ehia
ehia o
enye ahunyade ehwo nte ena ebejew
eno anu no
sa repeat ho
verse 9 men so me se mo se
why na ekasa no
Yesu Kristo
Yesu wase mo se
momfa ahunyade a ente no bi
wan kasa ma momfa o wase mo nya den
momfa
ko pa ahunyade na ehwo nte no ko ne ko pa bi
yes
na ehiamu a
ada be hia ho no
wagemu akoda afie
let me tell you ada mu ama wo nkwala nketoa ahohye be to ba so ahomache nonum ahomache no nan no miensa no mienu anadwo donko no hona be hunu the value of what money na ensem hunu a wote Kristo wote aso dem o keka no vanity upon vanity ube jaka na malaria che oba na dwene fifirefiri na wagina kwale na su hey malaria de tibi mu no esusu de wo wiase so malaria no wanku ba na akomo de wa adentina ya wote akomo ne nka enye mu ana musi bibi titibu mu na bibi tibu mu akomo de wo ansa wo da ho
sa
se ahwenti wo mu enti akomo ha no ayi ne ti bo se wote wo na akomo ne nam yam no ko na akomo ebi akomo dibi no mu sisi a
enokre
na oya ne ho sa ase bibi ye dey atini mu ha bo nse na koma ka ne dwe na bibi se u preach na obi ye nanu se eye kom na esuga no e kom kire wo se e mane nya wa dwe se bibi ye dey atiwo mu yes de aduro no e kom ye dey e de no ko pedua ne mani ndi na uduru sister na oton ba yire no ha sister praise him say hallelujah de osum de otimi mu so de wo wiase
yes
enunti mame bahire na nyaminti mame no de be ma na de ayeden no akodi obama eti yesu se ahunyade ne yenim paase sika de enye enso ye de pabi
senior
be a Revelation chapter 5 verse 12 akura na me kan Bible na fe de me kan Bible na me yam shame na OPATAFUOR me ye adwuma once I'm too young I'll keep on working to make money. Revelation chapter 5 verse 12 what say
na wade ne kase kan
tie yo angel ba ko de ne kase et kan say
adwama wo kum no
me ba cho wan me ne kum me wan ye kum no yesu enye ono ni ogwama na yesu akopie mu heaven a na angel ba ko be gina ho katire Israel nyankopon ote akonyam osi wo wure kronkron ogwama we yesu ya wabaye yakunu si wodwan yenti asem okan ye
adwama wo kum no fatase
o fatase de
ogitumi
one ogitumi wunim de ntia nipa bia wote asase so woni tumi bi ebekum kwase yakum kwa
yes
me tuo mi wo tumi mi wo power wontimi kum ta
yes senior
na woni wo tumi anu ntira se wo sika enti na konfuo bi kom nsuo bi so no ho kyere no hello na nanu mama ne ho ye de e kyere no oya konfuo ne ho kyere no o tumi Obi a sofo nyame ngosra won so but ne ho ye de ya. Eno nkire se wonye sofo ye sofo but ye die ngosra ni ho. One, yama Yesu tumi.
Yes.
Ni ahunya.
Ene de
ahunya.
Ye tua lad be osoro. Na ahunya de no de ye de. Ah? Say Yesu ni sika anke me no mi onu ye tena asase so ani Yesu gu no so anko beptimi am ye bi. Nti o hia sika. Na de ono tesoro ho no adwene hunu say ye nti e wo se wo soro ma na ahunya. O te ha tua lad be. O makro school. O se wo de o ahunya de no e vanity upon what?
Vanity.
We the father of neko.
Sorry.
First one was Yesu safata so de de.
Tumi.
Second o hia fata de.
Ahunya.
Third o hia fata de.
Nyansa.
I don't know. Unya tumi na uni sika obi amu da.
Yes.
Metiwe odi for OPATAFUOR mi ni sika ngosra no hu a unvalue da. But the amount of value me ngosra no hu say yes we nyame nsa wono so na ye de ya. Money, evidence. You see, my style of tonation, my intellectual acuity is a sign of what? Money. Because untimi nko e chire ho school no emma meka borofo we. Nti hu se meka borofo kese a ye de ya e sika. A man magnificently opulent, magnet.
Senior.
Them cannot yes here.
Senior. Senior. Senior.
Hello. 1,000, $2,000, $3,000. And no kasa. I show more TV. So you see, you know, we have to, and then you see, you know. Si kanabro for no.
Sir.
The more do say no. Es kakese. Yesu onya to bi wie ni amana hunyade o wie ye no no so hiade ya nyansa ntina sikani bi timi kasa se nti sikani we ba na okeka se oni de ya
nyansa
tina me ka kira se me just ordinary type. Me is somebody who is well sophisticated, highly endowed,
yes,
with faculties.
Faculties. Yes.
One, school afamimu. Masanya tumi. Masanya ska.
Sika.
Anyama miensa. Inti me kasa. Most of ye magistrate out na sitting. Young guy ben and a numun samu who's a numun samu in Yansan idea him.
Sir. Senior.
Hello.
Hi.
Now, if you don't have money, better than paying for you or my year, your masters, you come and stand before them and talk to them, and they will fold their arms and listen to you. What do you have?
What do you have?
Question no busa. Papa it will easy. Papa it will easy. Na nakura na mama home it. Dr. Oduro easy. Mami me mama to onya bete. Na me baya na ma she chale. Na matali mu yi ntutu. Na campaign fo si o ma betena se say ye beti o na okra de na wo tiri. Bibi wo tiri. But when they enter here, my appearance, the way I see kasa, home from a shabegun when I say at me way.
Senior.
Yes. Sa software on free on your soft cake free upper acheron.
Yes.
Hello.
Hi.
Enya bibiao. Eye sika na mama po. To be free and no kwa bontia or do OPATAFUOR beko. This is abrantie we. O ye bi wo boshen. Hello.
Hi.
Until when you come and tell me say the young fashion ama young fashion so nya day.
Enko.
Minim pa enyo okra na be catch me yawe. Ese my head na me dey watch na to me nsa. Me dey hwemra me fira asase no so akọ. Now reho say if we say unya 40 years and I'll be saying I'm missing himself 90. Now do you see Kenya 40? If you're not kind of better than wait. Wait me a chat.
There be
a very compulsory say a brandy be a cockrebia nipper be a was as we so. Umpo. I was saying Sikaya dear. Bounce him.
yes.
Yes, you won't walk or ya was say, a fatadia. Say repeat, Eddie.
Now the Nicasia can say,
What the Enukran one soft voice, and Nicasia, and what Tiam say yes to Safatadia.
Dama will come no fatasa or jit to me,
Or Safatas what you to me, powers.
near Hunya,
A hunya,
Ninyansa,
Nyansa.
near what dame.
I want the Obi Hon will be Nessie Council, ya Yalafo. Into Yadia,
What
what
dame,
dame.
near Nidia,
Any day.
and Nidia.
Obi will be Nessikawa, what didn't see young fair Nidia in your day. I was Sessica Bow, who say, pay anybody and Nidia.
Amount.
You see, let me tell you. The biggest revenge that you can ever revenge on your enemy is success.
Yes.
Say,
Senior.
let me tell you what dear. Onipa bi ya wade wa abrabom na ya wo ya. Nye duabo. Enya me kobo pa me ekunu. Wo pese o to no so repa. Na hina. Bompaye na ye yie asa. Na onim. So there will be a proper and a better definition between you and that of your enemy. Inti me catch there ababa wabi. Oba manim. Osi guy bia ya ade amane ye ne ya pa. What is me bo adan into obejibi di akoji no. I'm catching the girl, sister. Let me tell you something. The biggest revenge ever. The okay meet me a mo ase boy no. But there be I don't mind turning in ye. Now ye boy nankasa transfer because my share dear. Come here and come in my gay way a day.
Yes.
At now. And me, my biggest revenge secretly. Hey dear, success.
Success.
Be your harm, me piano, man, and family. But the piano, me keep on sending the BB kakana every day. Ebe kama bra bono nti me ne wo ti wo se ufiri me nchen a wo pastor di bi ye unko na omra na masato ade fuforo.
Yes.
Na da bia me to bi de ka ho, it should tell you say me ho nye dey. It should tell you say nyame oye dey ya. That is life.
Yes. Senior.
Enu na obetimi aye yie na wo hia boy na wa park car eni na tem no aboni din. Bema ben and yam finidin. Yes, a man movie. One I show pa bonidin. Yes. Nana yaw. And a mensa. Okay. Hello.
Hi.
80 sister. Boss in Yamia Shira. Udakem. Udruwa Ushia boy no Kawan watching a to. Why, hi, Nana yaw, how you doing? Nana ya osu diska na japade aka ye ne sen.
Yes, sir.
Na obusano. Fa na onse sika enkasa bebrebe.
Dabi.
Sheda yes as our voice yes because sika atoku voice. Nana ya na fa na oko. So, we say obi oni sika kasa kese. E me ka ya. Oh, tina muna min see you why? Obetina man on tina.
Obetina.
Fano. E fani tina kaini. Say, nana ya. Tiki man ya wa se na kana mabra bobe. Hello.
Hi.
E hono. Nana obe na adre se o se be yo obi o. O ka kire nse. Si say.
Senior.
Oh, far and walk with Sinu, baby, all
Sir.
Now, on to us. Now, there's life in you, and there's what? lifeless in him.
Yes.
That is the biggest revenge. You don't curse anybody. Fight hard and work hard and see all those who conspire against you will come back and beg. Oman Joseph. Joseph hit here and Oman calling. And how? When we were young and had nothing, we knew nothing. This is where we were forcing ourselves, thinking that the best revenge ever is to curse people, torment them, and destroy them. Until when we became mature, this is where we realized that the biggest revenge ever is to become successful. Tamani esano, esan ketenketeno, obi ya wadi awakuma tuyaso sa me meto me umaye usei wo bebreye. Later on, ye nyini ye ne ehunu say cursing somebody no ehun hia. Ye uye a they was wo ha no obeba.
Celia.
Ye die ya. To aso ne enko. Eni die. Aha, me busaw.
Ni animuonyam.
Nya botre. Ye bodwa. Baby akrom ho asikafo betena na ohia ni betimi abetena ho.
Dabi.
Enti enwanwa say bi ameni papa we neti. Na me mpe papa we asem na papa we atimi ayeyi. I'm telling you bodwa. Obekwa kwotena mpanyimfo tena bre na me da so ye dey. Ati. Nye ni die no no.
Ani die.
Amani ni die ne ya ja me ma ye dey. Atum. To aso.
Ni animuonyam.
Eni die ya.
Animuonyam. Ni nhyira.
Eni die yi.
Nhyira.
Yesu no ohia hunyade. Na Yesu kura hia hunyade a osimi de menya dai. Mi hia hwe, mi amete ha na mi hia. Osimi hia hwe. Teme sa nyamesam na omo ka no mi ntie bi da, mi ntie bi so da. Kom atwene ye different. Obi tibi ka asem mi hwe ni din am say ko sugu ewurade so ne pa ne chew ne sesa otekere ma. Obi tibi ka say me de me ne me ma ye di ye hia de ai. We say, but you hear Udi Iode. Ope.
Dabi.
Ope here. Udi the air.
We say,
Radishina so mouse, all power fako.
Empe.
And Casa di Bita.
Yes.
Oh, here you tapadia with the Wawa no Mao. Me knew here with you, Mimpe. Oh, Yamishra. One wa can't summon. Una Nima Samanaka. Oh, here they made the couldn't say. Me this can we say, Mimpo here. Now, young Shadi, Revelation 21, verse 18 to 21. You call heaven. Adia nyene ye bonsam no awurade de atokrom ho nyina kota osi na kuro na bonten ye de ya sika nko a.
Revelation chapter
21 verse 18 to 21.
Na dia ode to ne fasuo no ne ahwehwebo na kuro no ye sika kuro kronkron
sika ne ye de kuro no ye de
sika kronkron
sika ye de ya
kronkron
e twaso
te sa ahwehwe kronkron
Corona bontin yesika. Na ho ne tua lade o. Aha ye yesika dia to plot or cantonment ne de nyame no. Osi ma me mpebi. Sa asofo no mkeka sa nyino muye. Obi okọ hospital yesi bia 2000 Ghana. On famra ne ma na duru a onya tim no wawu. E na asofo mu hunu nyansa pesi kan e no mo da so ye dey. Etias. Ne huna mu toto de pe na odwane no okọ abrochire ni ahwe no. The gospel of prosperity and the gospel of poverty. Difference. Now, Luke 12, 32 to 34. Luke chapter 12, verse 32 to 34. I was saying.
Verse 32
to 34 say
kuo ketwa
ekuo ensori megu mu yekuo ketwa mu no so
munsuro
ahana na Yesu preach obi sikani ba oja mic ne kwa ensori mani bi kika de enye mamu nsuro senate fu amugu asamri mamu nsuro efri say
Eya mu agya no fese.
Eya urade fese.
Odi ahenie no bema mo.
Enka. Odi ahenie ni bema mo.
Monton de mo wo.
Mukwa de mo wo no monton.
Monfanya adoye.
Na munya de ya.
Adoye.
Until even going to heaven you must do what? Hello?
Aye.
Oh, go heaven, I was so here. Yes,
yeah.
Give something.
Yes.
How can a poor man give something? Anka say cook to a mamusuru, a radidi in Namamo. Or say a year more jape me pay. And so. You haven't paid anything, so we can't give it to you. Yes, Matthew chapter 10, verse 1 to 15. Now last one, 6 near Paul.
Matthew 10.
Verse 1 to 15. Now what's it?
Now a friend is here for doom you don't buy.
TNE, a friend is here for doom back on. What's it say?
Now my one who feels to me.
I feel TNE. Yes, to ministry, a soft one power to tell what yes, yes, to catch it. One, Omo who feels to me. The Nano sorry, last week. When your mamma who feels to me, some family teaching me to change nipa. I feel TNE.
So one two on. Now on sign yare for ne.
One on side, two on side yare for yare.
Near home na.
Omo to do omo.
Now some of one do me no din ye. You decan de Simon.
You
our friend Petro.
You
Ninia Andre.
Oh.
Yeah, Kubo Yesabed you bano Ninia Yohani. Philip ni Bartholomew. Toma. Ni to Ginny Matthew.
Okay.
After you buy a Kubu ni Tadio. Simon Ofri Kena. Ni Judah Iscariot wa we no man on so. Aqua dear. Do me a new yes, some one say.
Hello.
Hi.
Do me a new yes, yeah, day. A suma of my faith, TDC.
Say one say. Mumma and quite a man of mine.
One. Yamitumana Moyano. Say ye. No more money and quite a man of man council. A man of man council say. Young guy, I would this of work or two a dross with this awful. One man come on a man council. A brand here, we are Yamijuma. How could you do? Do out the Nipas a puppet and nothing. And Cabricitia been a crown. Now they are sorry. Was it shay? No more money and call. I'm an Amaquasu.
Now, more in Sunny Samaria Crobia
and go Samaria Crobia, wouldn't Samaria for. Oh, we are son. Or so far, which means I saw the Basis who made the dancing krumu. Fake testimony. I didn't see a cross. I see. I saw for any between a binum and the year bubu afwa and we are Samaria for Samu man, Saucronum and Tafwa you for magician. If you are so for Obiti Bompires, you were Piefrinimu. Yes, Nina Yaza and happy that in Sita. Or when sorry, Madam Asha, no more better than Sikurumu. What did TV one? What did you say? Sophia Bay or boy? Who didn't achieve about the was it Peter? Say it. Najumana Mukoyano. And Mamunya Zata. And Mamukotia Druda. A dear Yamia Kamkuana Kam. Dear Yamisi Yana ye. To us.
Namum. Munko Israel fear Naya, why you don't
call Israel fear, and what your crunkru fear. Mura so temuha. Shen one koyasa. And yasa. Simayaza. Say and go to a draw. Was me to a draw. Was a man yebi. Ko Israel fear ya cron. Would ye ya cron or mule at the ending? Twas
Namokwa. Monko can say.
Say a banya me fear ha. As I am a canny.
Asura Hindu no abang.
One min can't say. Osura Hindi and I day. How many times you mention how boss Rahini and Udo Ratremoda?
Pempi.
Twasso.
Monsaya for ya, dear.
Oh, be Aria. Yanyan,
Monsaya,
yes, Sunny Ali. Twasso.
Munyania for.
Oh, be a wua. Yanyan, Twasso.
Mama Quatafuor Humfi.
Yama Quatafuor Humfi.
Muntua Humone.
Oh, be a whom beating him and ye beyond. Yen Mompaye and Tinivan Film.
If you was a Muanya no qua.
A fay TNE. Peter. Uni asuafoɔ adeɛ yɛ a mɔnyɛn me Yesu mɔnya ne kwa
momfa makwa
afei ɔmo a mobɛgye wɔ mo nyinaa no momfa mo wɔ mo kwa hwɛ yie na manje kabre anchaji wɔ bia da.
Yes.
Hello.
Hi.
Yesu said ya
Sheye
na wo Peter man ko gyina ba bia anchaji wɔ bi so on fa sika mra nsa na wasa ne yare.
Verse 9.
Afei
mon hwehwɛ sika
hweye mu koi mamu hwehwɛ sika
ana dwetɛ
ana dwetɛ
ana kɔbere mu abɔsoɔ
ana kɔbere mu abɔsoɔ mamu mfa collection bo bibia nsi wonje hwe da. Afei to aso
mon hwehwɛ akwantuo bɔtɔ
afei samu pa mamu mfa bag bi a mobɛgye offering agu mu nkɔda
ana ntadeɛ mmienu
ukwa mu hwɛ yie na Peter nyamsɛm na mu kɔ man fantalie tu se kyena kora na me wuro we ya na mahyewe mu fantadeɛ wan na mu fa nkɔka nyame asɛm no to aso
ana mpaboa
empaboa so Peter emfa mpaboa bi fa mpaboa ba kopɛ
ana
poma
na odwumayɛfo aduane fata no
odwumayɛfo na aduane yɛ deɛ
ɛfata
na fetie deɛ Yesu keka kɔ
na kuro ana akura bi
afei na Peter sorry yɛ sɛ na wo Yesu nsɛm hunu na akeka na wo bɛ sɛ ɔkyerɛ sɛ adwuma na ayɛ kɔ na yɛmfa offering bo wo so wo Yesu yɛ ne wo nam yɛ asɔre wi na wo Yesu wagye offering yɛ deɛ yɛ kɔgye bia wo se da ma yɛmfa ntaaleɛ mienu ma Yesu omsu abaye nchaji omu nyom ska ne nyame dwuma na ye ko no yenko ye ne sei Yesu ehwe Peter anim saa no ka kire nse se mukokuro no mu anam sama amfa ntade mamu nchaji obi anti mukoduru kuro no mu ayenye den ha
na kuro ana kuro biara mo be
kuro biara ye be kom biara no
mummusa deɛ wɔfata wɔ hɔ
mummusa deɛ ya
deɛ wɔfata wɔ hɔ
ɔn sɛ Yesu anwan aba bɛsi deɛ so sika so ɔn ni nyansa wɔsɛ wuduru kuro no mu a bisa deɛ ɔyɛ deɛ ya
ɔfata
to aso
brɔfo no na ɛka twi ni yie whatever town or village you enter search for wealthy person.
A poor man wealthy?
No.
Is a poor man wealthy?
No.
Who is wealthy?
A
rich man.
Jesus.
Now, the entire cast say, or the mama could be a to out of contest. No, and you say, me maba boshen me be kenya mesem. And my shishema who's a papa, any papa, or when a safata was your moon some wobi. And to yes, see a car, young fire how, ya drinking, ye come in a young fankugu or moso. No among shayin. Into a mushaya. Argentina papai, any papai, or muna fire hoka, yet be here. Now, Saba catch it, Saba factory, as I charge you all. I had a papa. That is said, Papa, we are boame. Now, some tone or some buanam, my charging and son of my idea, my boan, a suban papa.
Debbie.
And yes, before so the catcher or OPATAFUOR say, or the mark until also Famaquano. You want mammy yourself at you.
Yes.
Maybe you know Abraham.
Yes.
Now, who are mammy yourself at also Cassas and Weeby. Yes, you dear, or more others, or say, or the mark Musumufanya day, and Maka Adentia, because one more the way dear
or fata.
Fata. Senior. Yes.
Now, I'm sorry, Papa, much about $1 million. After me, when I jam it after home, can you mean me after home? Cacra. Now, me be Jana Quesiana, I'm a 2 of now. So, 2 seasons, I'm going to 2 of boom in the day. Me cramming charge him, mom fat. Now, mobile and mamma, do yourself at time. Madam, much your light bill. You do almost ball keyboard and name yam she light bill, and you could see. You know, I'm saying, Catherine, you know. Munya the light bill. Me couldn't be town. The way you see Janet, I sound Robert's a dragon. Hello, and I am there. Hello.
Hi.
I feel what yes was it?
Yes.
And now, Peter Busa, yes, you say, Ora, Near corner club what your father was one penny a mere small and your mondomeno. Sir, oh, what's the car? No, I not just all Mamubini. To us.
When I'm on Tranquism will be free while
I want a day.
And
trust me, as you cram co be a winning coffee.
Yes.
And a baby, yes, I want to cop him so bad day.
Now, Mushan, you fear be more.
Say you rat a fear be moo.
Munchia, move one.
Or see, and she and Timmy drew a Java down, Mamma. Oh,
Now say a fata fear no.
and she said, me, Papa, you know what Jimmy Sue was a fatano,
Moasum dream rasso.
No, Papa, ya Jimmy now was a Marie, and I was some dear soon dear 2 in the muscle.
Now say fatano.
Now, Papa, this is how when you are mammy or OPATAFUOR, many day.
Moasum dream sanem ramon chain.
Masai, you mean Shira.
Biara or Renyamo.
Na sikanibi sawanji okuremua yanya de
no rentie mu asem
no so wontie ya asem no
mu free afia na krono mu rekwa
say ye free ha ne ye kwa
mo propro mo na asim
propro na sia futuro fagu wo mi se tomeno sikani awo aha na so mami OPATAFUOR bi ni ena ma to me
Senior.
Yes,
Bon 7.
Hello.
Hi.
Me na me di misika. We are also yourself. Do software. Me ma wa say do me. I don't know yes we are patapasa. Me boa. She the way yes careful asem no. So the Peter Jai. En fa hwe escafo na be hwem. Mam ko hia ni bi afie. Baby am benya na nkwan ho. Mo ntena ho a mamu bia bo. Mamu mie windows no kura hwe ho. Any Bible ni. You catch them say, or the mark quantimusum for your day. And Macra, now swam mammy was a fatami and son. To the mammy, mean charge of that. The summary, light is air conditions, TVs, shell fans, light in a bop pie. Bra, you better cheer light bill. No, 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 the baby beba.
Yes.
Nams with the Biaba near the idea. Never then I'm the Amaka. If you want to see,
yes.
Kwandi in the Bible, son or Mokan is here. Ecclesiastes 10:20. Because with me at me, Eddie. She had the pay.
Yes.
When your last quotation, Bon 7. And dear, me person may come out here. Sika, a very important, a pragmatic panacea. Yes.
No me wa hene wa dwene mu mpo.
Ote, o se mani ma utini mu mpo se obedome wo hene. Ye kase wo hene anya obi ote akonya so nko an. Obi a wabɔ bra bia wo ye hene.
Yes.
Yes. Na no me wa defo oda bi kire.
Ote, mani ma utini mu krasa wo dome odefo.
Na ewiemu no ma bi de nne no bɛkɔ.
Ote, anya sa ewiemu de ya.
Enoma. Omo de nne no bɛkɔ. Na ntakraboa bi aka asɛm no.
Ote.
Amen.
Eti uti osikani kura tamu a pete bi twamu otimi bokoto no okɔ. Why are you insulting the rich man? Hello.
Hi.
Eti wan say we sikani a kwakwa do bi kura konto kwama wo.
Sir.
Na uni sika usi ni oma kwakwa do bi o mefa asam na nko.
Obeba befa.
Bonsem urade.
Bon 7.
Eba chaw. Washing machine ya na esi hin. Ensi inside.
Yes.
Nyaho na usi ni oma. Kwakwa do bi betimi aba ho.
Dabi.
Na wo de ne esi hin fa. Enya compound. Nyo na asesa wo ne oma de begu ho. Ana so wo ye bi di adi wo inside. Wo wi anu aba ede. Wo ba na samna no ye de ye de.
Let ko.
Kwakwa do bi de ko. Nti woni sika kwakwa do bi kura na wo be di asie wo abrabom. Hello.
Hi.
Enti mawuo metiasio. Fasa utirim sika nya de bone da.
Sir.
Woda sori a enioma mienu pe. Unya nkopon. Hwese wo ni nyame ntamu nte. Ena masika nje wa adwene na won treat ni pate sese be aboa. Fani die manipa. Na wo nyankopon firi ho a sika na ho. Adentia. Onyankopon ma oba papa na woni sika. ohia bema wo hu oba no so mfa so.
Yes.
Onyankopon enuanom ma. Onyame ma okunu papa. Na sikani awale animu a unhunu okunu so de ya.
Faso.
So onyankopon ma o emma se nkwala we de omho ofa. Ohia betima ma nkwala na o makwan ayede yi. Achia. Se sika ofie ho a onyame botaye no. Ebeye de ya.
Ebebem.
Nyame nshira o.
Amen. Senior. Siawan. God bless you. God bless you.
Wednesday, Empire Boy Day.
Ewo ho.
Ewo ho. Enti ubetimi